How you guys doing? I'm Andy, my Soldiers Trades.
And I'm Sarah.
So today was a pretty interesting day. Figured it was going to be really slow. Decided to get into some stuff anyways that I probably shouldn't have been messing around with. But it turns out the thesis was right on basically everything, and I got the struggle though.
Yeah, a little bit.
It's a little early to the game.
Yeah, it worked out though, so.
It worked out. We're up, over 165% of our daily profit target today.
Yeah, so that's good.
So, up over 165% of our daily profit target. And what did we trade, Sarah?
Well, today we traded EARS.
EARS, and you guys are already saying, yep, should have left it alone.
Let's see, they came out with some news that basically said that they're forming a new subsidiary for development projects in tinnitus and hearing loss.
Which doesn't seem like that great of news. It seems like some news that I probably heard from them a lot.
I'm sure.
Like something similar.
Reoccurring news.
Yeah, definitely no money in the news. So
No, not any money at all.
no top line results or money.
Nope.
Or, anything really.
But that trade turned out to be awesome.
Yeah, it was a pretty good trade. I just traded it right, guys.
Yeah.
And it worked out, so.
Right, traded it right and worked out, so.
What else did we...
we also traded QUIK, halted, and it had no news.
See, now this one, that's the one that I probably shouldn't have been trading today, but, but it halted, right? And
it halted, and then...
it came out of the halt. I sold it right out of the halt for profit.
Well, actually didn't. It halted. And then it halted the first time, and then that's when you saw it, and then you got in it after the first halt.
Right.
And then you got it, and then it halted.
It halted while I was in it, yeah.
But then after the halt, you
immediately out of the halt, it just kept going up.
Yeah.
I sold for my profit because, you never know what these things are doing. And if you have that kind of a percentage gain on, what was that one on that one? 10%?
The QUIK, that was, like 7%.
7% trade, so yeah, that was pretty good. So yeah, I guess that was fine because of what it was, but I knew that it was what you can see on the charts.
Right.
And so yeah, pretty good. What else?
And that we traded PYX. That was another one that was halted. No news for PYX.
PYX was moving pretty quick. You can grab something really quick out of something like that. Why not do it? So that's basically why I grabbed PYX. I mean, I was willing to risk a certain amount for that kind of action. I'm not scared of being late to the game here. I'm definitely not scared.
Definitely not as scared of that one.
Right. And then here is where it starts to get interesting.
What, ONCY?
Well, ONCY, I don't know. Did I close ONCY?
No, actually not.
Yeah, I'm still working on one of my ONCY trades right now.
Yeah. So.
Really nice setup. As you can see from this chart, I basically at the bottom of that red candle right before these little greens started. Anyways, you guys can see. I'd called it. It's looking pretty good. Nice little pattern setting up here. So figured I would go ahead and grab that and just let it play out and see what happens. Put a stop on it. I know I tell you guys I don't use stop orders, but when I say I don't use stop orders, I mean that when I'm actively in a trade, I do not use stop orders.
Right.
But when I'm, if I want to let a trade work or something, I definitely want to have a stop order. I don't want to walk away and come back and be losing 90% of my trade.
That was SAVA.
Yeah, it happens.
Sure does. Okay, then maybe this is what you're talking about. SAVA.
SAVA.
This one didn't have any news.
This thing is way up several days in a row.
The reason why, I think, because it did have news on December 27th that the CEO bought $41,500 worth of shares.
Yeah, $41,000 for the CEO.
And that was at average price $415 too. So.
I mean, it just doesn't seem like that much. But hey, maybe that's well, I'm not even gonna speculate.
I don't know,
here.
but maybe that's the reason why it's up. I just know that.
But it's up quite a bit, and then he's buying more shares at an average of 4 or something.
I don't know. I just know that his average that he bought at was $415.
Yeah, $415. Yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't seem like it was really going to play out going up. More likely it was going to play out going down. Right. So I took my profit and ran.
Yeah. At least we made some profit. So.
But this this morning we arrived MAXR.
Oh yeah, MAXR.
And I think we have no news.
No, this one has news. Sorry. They announced that it will sell MDA to Northern Private Capital for Canada $1 billion, which is like what, 700 something million.
Yeah, 700 something million US, 1 billion Canadian, and it's got money in it. So there my ears go up immediately. Rather slow. I grabbed it. I made the right trade. I just made it at the wrong time with the wrong volume. And, you know, basically on a day like today, all times are wrong. So you better be able to you better be managing these trades to where you know how messed up you can get in these things. Like, how far can they pull back with this low volume to try to scare you out, wear you out before it continues on its run, which it did nicely. I mean, I closed it out with only a small amount of what I could have got and what I had wanted to grab out of it. But,
yeah, you closed it with plenty of meat left on the bone.
Yeah, plenty of meat left on the bone, but it was worth it because, you know, if you're closing with profit, you're closing over your profit target. You're in control of your trades.
Right.
If you're just letting these things run, you know, sure, you can. I could have put a trailing stop in it. You know, there's a lot of different things that I can do, and I might look into doing that. Sometimes I do.
Yeah.
You know, put a trailing stop in there, or just put a stop price in there, or sell off a portion of it and let the rest run. There's a lot of options here, you know, but I just took my profit and got out.
Yep.
Just so I can relax and not be stressed.
Well, I thought today was going to suck all day. But
yeah,
it got a little bit exciting.
Yeah, I thought today was really going to suck. And, you know, there was at least 3 trades that I could have let run. I mean, it would have been much better than today, but I'm happy with it.
Yeah. Sometimes you just got to let them run a little bit, maybe.
So anyways, guys, I guess that's it for us today. Thanks for, you know, listening to us babble on about whatever we're babbling on about.
Yeah.
You know, day after day here.
What stocks we traded.
So, yeah. Anyways, thanks for joining us. I'm Andy with Mighty Soldiers Trades.
And I'm Sarah. Check us out. Hi, I'm Sarah with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.